Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to earn rewards on Atlas. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas online banking platform. That's the Atlas website, or you could choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the credit card account that you want to earn rewards on. Just select that from the account dashboard. And then you're going to click on rewards to view the reward program details. And you can use your credit card for qualifying purchases such as groceries, gas, or travel. And then you're going to earn reward points or cash back on each of those purchases, depending of course on the reward program. And you can always just review and redeem your reward points or cash back for things like statement credits, gift cards, as well as other available rewards. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to earn rewards on Atlas. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next.